Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to properly charge your iPhone 16e. Whether you just got your phone or you're wondering about the best way to charge it, I've got you covered. Let's get started. Method 1. Use the right charger. The iPhone 16e comes with a USB-C charging port, so you'll need a USB-C to USB-C cable and a compatible power adapter. If you already have an older iPhone charger with a USB cable, it won't fit this model. For the fastest charging, use Apple's 20 watts power adapter or any certified USB-C charger that supports fast charging. Method 2. Plug it in. Now, take your USB-C cable and plug one end into the bottom of your iPhone. Then, connect the other end to your power adapter and plug it into a wall outlet. You should see the battery icon on your screen light up, showing that your phone is charging. If nothing happens, check that your cable and adapter are working properly. Try a different outlet if needed. Method 3. Wireless charging option. If you prefer wireless charging, place your iPhone 16 on a MagSafe charger or any Qi-certified wireless charger. Make sure the back of your phone is centered on the charging pad. After a second, you'll see the charging animation on your screen. Method 4. Fast charging tips. Want to charge your iPhone faster? Here are a few quick tips. Use a higher watt charger, 20 watts or more, for fast charging. You can go from 0 to 50% in about 30 minutes. Keep your phone cool while charging. Overheating can slow down charging speeds. Avoid using your phone while charging if you want it to charge faster. Method 5. Check your battery percentage. To see how much battery you have, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open Control Center. Your battery percentage will be displayed at the top. You can also go to Settings app and tap on the battery to check detailed battery info. And that's it. That's how you charge your iPhone 16 the right way. If this video helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any charging questions. See you next time.